Have you ever found yourself navigating the wild west of crypto, trying to figure out which digital wallet plays nice with which blockchain? It can feel like speaking a different language with every new coin you encounter. You've got your Bitcoin wallets, your Ethereum wallets, and then there's a whole universe of specialized platforms. It's enough to make your head spin. But what if you're interested in something a little different, a project that's carving out its own niche in the decentralized world? Something like Beam Wallet, for instance. You might be hearing more about it, especially if you're into privacy-focused cryptocurrencies or the burgeoning world of blockchain gaming. So, the big question naturally arises, which network supports Beam Wallet? To truly understand which network supports Beam Wallet, we first need to clarify what Beam actually refers to in the crypto space, because there can be a bit of confusion. There's Beam, the privacy-focused cryptocurrency built on the Mimblewimble protocol, and then there's the Beam network, which is a gaming-centric blockchain empowered by the Merit Circle DAO. Both use a token called Beam, but their underlying architectures are distinct. Let's start with the privacy-focused Beam cryptocurrency. This Beam is built on its own independent blockchain, leveraging the innovative Mimblewimble protocol. Mimblewimble is designed for enhanced privacy and scalability, meaning transactions on this Beam blockchain are confidential by default, hiding transaction amounts and participant addresses. So, if you're looking for a wallet that specifically handles the native Beam cryptocurrency, you'd be looking for a wallet that supports the Mimblewimble-based Beam blockchain. Wallets like the official Beam Wallet application are specifically designed for this. Now, let's talk about the Beam network, the gaming blockchain. This Beam network operates as an Avalanche subnet. What does that mean? It means it benefits from the security, speed, and scalability of the Avalanche protocol, while also being its own dedicated blockchain optimized for gaming applications. The Beam token, in this context, acts as the native cryptocurrency for gas fees and governance within this gaming ecosystem. So, if you're holding the Beam token from the Merit Circle DAO's gaming network, you'll find that it's widely supported on major networks like Ethereum, as an ERC20 token, and the BNB Smart Chain. This is crucial for interoperability and accessibility, allowing users to easily move and manage their Beam tokens across these popular blockchain environments. Wallets like Trust Wallet and Kraken Wallet, for example, support Beam on these chains. This multi-chain approach for the Beam token makes it highly flexible and accessible to a broader range of users and platforms. In essence, the answer to which network supports Beam Wallet depends on which Beam you're referring to. The original privacy-focused Beam operates on its own unique Mimblewimble blockchain. The gaming-focused Beam network, on the other hand, is an Avalanche subnet, and its associated Beam token is widely available and supported on the Ethereum and BNB Smart Chain networks. Understanding these distinctions is key to navigating the Beam ecosystem and ensuring you're using the right wallet for your specific Beam assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.